Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Tonight I'm sharing with you what I'm doing for Valentine's Day this year. I hope you get a little inspiration for things that you can do for your loved ones to make them feel special this and every day. Now let's refresh this house. I have all these little decorations and gifts for the girls. I love using holidays to decorate little holidays like Valentine's Day and their birthdays, having little decorations when they come down in the morning. They love it. So here are a couple little shirts for them to wear. I've never had them matching, but we're doing it this year. 2 little shirts like this. And then a bag. I got just a couple little things. Some letters. We're going to use them in the bathtub because they have magnets on them. And then they love Frozen. So a coloring book and a couple cute little books. Sesame Street, Elmo they love, and Daniel Tiger. Some plates. We'll make some little strawberry muffins for them. And then these cookie cutters are for another treat. And then I had a couple decorations from last year, so I'll use those as well. But I spent probably $5 or $6 on little decorations for this year, and then with the addition of the stuff from last year. So let's get decorating.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
I'd been putting the girls' table in this corner lately, so I had the idea to pull out the pocket door to create a little Valentine's Day nook for them. I'm going to decorate and then pull the table over and set it up for breakfast with their little gift bags.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.
Do you use party decorations to celebrate holidays or birthdays? I like using these banners with words, and I always have to adjust the letters on the string to fit the space I'm decorating.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping.
We celebrated Valentine's Day a little early so that I could give you some ideas, and also Elsie was going to be celebrating at her preschool early as well. So I'm including their Valentine's shirts in their gift bags so that they could wear them on the preschool party day. I'm actually using the shirts in place of tissue paper in the bags.
Shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to
I wanted to prepare Elsie's Valentines for her classmates, so I wrote in Dave's card as well. Anytime I pick a card for him, I read them until one makes me tear up a little, and that's the one I know to pick.
He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about it.
going to make my family's newest favorite meal, pesto chicken sliders. I found the recipe on Pinterest and we've been making them every week since then. Tonight I'm going to make them ahead and reheat them tomorrow. The recipe will be in the description box below.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
I boiled and shredded the chicken ahead of time with a hand mixer. Have you shredded chicken this way? I didn't know about this until a couple years ago, and it's a game changer. If you try it, use a deep bowl so the chicken doesn't fly everywhere.
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my call.
You'll have to play around with the oven temperatures and cook times. Since I warmed the chicken before assembling the sliders, baking them is just to melt the cheese and warm the buns. When I make these in the moment, I like to bake tater tots in the oven at the same time. The sliders are usually done first.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you.
I love making brownies for holidays, but a few weeks ago, Kathryn from Do It on a Dime made a video that included heart-shaped decorated brownies, and I was totally inspired by her to make these.
That my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out of line. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain.
I've mentioned before that washing towels are not my favorite laundry to do, but you always see me changing the towels. I do it because it's good for us and nice for the person using them. It's easy to get annoyed with the mundane parts of homemaking, but these little things are what makes our homes cozy and our loved ones feeling loved and taken care of, even if they aren't actively thinking about these behind-the-scenes comforts.
Wake up, yeah. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing.
Other simple ways to show that you care are dusting the places that no one notices, changing pillowcases often, making lunch for someone else when you're making yours, and unlocking the door before someone gets home so they don't have to wrestle with their keys. All of these little things really add up.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone.
Thank you so much for being here today. I hope this video sparked some ideas for things that you can do for your friends and family. Have a nice night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.